know, I try to be as nice as I possibly can when I am doing illegal things, like riding through, say, a path or a walking path. There's some walking paths around my place. But, you know.
It's party time! P-A-R-T. Why? Because I gotta!
You guys ready for the beautiful sound of a four-stroke again? And a little wheelie for you. Security. What do you guys think about fucking illegal road riding, you know? You just watch us do a bunch of it. Unfortunately, around here, it's kind of just the way it goes. Oh. So, you know, as I said, 99% of these guys, they don't have road legal bikes, so... And to get from trail to trail and spot to spot, sometimes you gotta hit roads. It's just the way it is. Now, we don't stop for cops. I actually have a shirt from Bullocks. This would be a little shout out to Bullocks. Sent me a couple shirts. I don't stop for cops. Like a pretty badass little shirt. But yeah. We do a lot of fucking road riding and in and out and on the streets and through walking paths and parks and so on and so forth. And, you know, I've never got caught. I know I've heard of some people that have got caught. Around here there's cops on quad that'll chase you, actually. Is not going to catch me, I'm sorry. I'm not the fastest rider in the world, by any means. But there's no chance a cop on a big 800 or something catching me. It's just not happening. may try. I don't really want to tempt it, and I don't want to try it. But if it happens to happen, it happens. So. What? Oh, I know, brutal. That's a good way to pop a tire. Yeah, we do a lot of, you know, I try to be as nice as I possibly can when I am doing illegal things, like riding through, say, a path or a walking path. There's some walking paths around my place that, you know, you're not, they say no motorized vehicles, they have little fucking things to try and stop you and whatnot. They never really do, though. They stop the quads a bit, but they don't stop dirt bikes. It's pretty hard to stop a dirt bike. It can do pretty much anything. So, what about this way? Huh? I just went around it, you dummy. There's some pretty gnarly ass trails in here. This is some illegal riding. Oh, my ass is so sore, man. I can't fucking